So what I have here is a set of small little LED lights, and these are magnetic LED lights, removable, rechargeable. This is a really cool setup. And actually, let me just go ahead and dump it all out here because you get a lot crammed in a little small box. Look how small this box is and look at all the stuff that was in there. So taking it all out of the box here, and let me kind of show you some of the features of this. So each one, here's each light. So this is a 3-pack of lights right here. You have these brackets right here that you would install like up under a kitchen cabinet or like that. Check this out. You guys see that? These are magnetic. So you're thinking, oh, well, how is that going to help you? Well, you screw this down to wherever you want it, and then you can just stick this like that, or you could screw this part down and stick that right there. That is super handy. That is extremely handy. And they have these little 3M peel and stick kind of magnetic things. So what I'm going to do is actually I've got a van, like a camper van that I use, and these are like push button, but there's a little on and off right there. Look at that. 2, 3 different settings. You get a mixed setting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install these little things all throughout my van. So in the back, when I'm camping, I can just reach up, touch this, and I'm good to go. And I'm not using my car battery because these are rechargeable. You get 3 USB-C cables with them. That way you can charge them, and you just take them down and charge them. Very simple. Check that out. Boom, boom, boom. Ain't that neat? So each one of those, and you have a remote. They gave you 2 remotes. I've already used one. Look at that. We know the remote works. There you go. Watch that one. And then if I want to go different color settings, that is very handy right there. Oh, and there's different timers. It looks like 15 minutes to 120 minutes. We got 50% brightness and 100% brightness. And then you can go up and down. So we can actually do kind of a customize all the way up and down. Very handy feature right there. And looking at that, so you do get some screws. I'm not going to screw these down in my van. I don't want to add screws in there, but I will kind of use some alcohol and clean up that edge. And then it looks like you just peel that off like that. Oh yeah, look at that. So that just peels off, and then that sticks on there. Does this come off too? Yep. And then this gets peeled off right there. So let me go ahead. Let's go out to my van and let's install these and put some of these things up first. And then I'll put 2 of these up, and then I'll show you how I'm going to make this work. So let's go do that now. Okay, I'm out here in my van. Check out, I've already installed one. All I did was alcohol this area. I've got a little flat spot right there. I took one of these and then I just stuck it on there, and that sticks on there very tight. Check it out. Look at that. Now I have a light, turn this one on. We have a light ready right there that we can turn on and off. Then when I'm ready to charge it, I can move it around. I can set it there. I had several spots I wanted to put it, but I think right here is the best spot for it while I'm camping. Okay, so I just cleaned that area off. Let's go ahead, stick it right there, and check that out. See, that doesn't move. Let's get a second one. Look at that. Awesome. Look at this, everybody. Oh, let's turn that back on. Now I've got 2 lights facing me right here. That is very handy. Let's put one on this seat and one on this seat so I could always stick one right there. Let's come in here at night and let's see how good these things works when it's pitch black, because it's daytime right now and it's really not a fair kind of experiment for these lights. So let's go ahead. Let's click over some nighttime footage now. Okay, it's officially nighttime and it's dark enough in my van. I'm going to show you guys. So I have the little remote right here. I'm going to hit the one here on the right. Boom, look at that. So it just lit up all of this area. Hit the one on the left. Nice. Look how it just lights up this area. Now I've got the one right here. So this one right here is on the back of the seat. What I like about this is I can sit back here because, see, these lights stopped working and I need to get these fixed. So in the meantime, I'm just going to use these guys right here. This looks awesome, everybody. Now these things also are set up for like pictures and along stairways and all that, but I'm using it for this right here. Let's change the color on all of them. Let's go a whiter light. Boom, check that out. That's more of a white light, but you know what? I like the kind of camping vibe light, just like that. See how it's kind of like a soft, kind of warm light? That's nice. This remote works extremely well, but you know what? If you don't have the remote, just touch them like that, and you are good to go. And also, you see I added so if I want to move this one, I can move this one to right there. Check that out. Now I have 2 on the back of the seats. Everybody, this is a great option for anyone that needs a kind of like remote style light that has a magnetic backing on it, because also if you just got metal anywhere, this also, let's see if it'll just hook to my seatbelt. Look at that, on a seatbelt. That works perfect there too. So any type of metal, these things will work on. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the 3-pack of the picture light, stair light, camping lights. See you guys in the next video.